Hello, this is the video I am going to be making to show off Virus Hunters, the project for procedural generation. The team of myself, Dalton, Colton, and Spencer have worked on this. I will go through each of our contributions so far. Spencer has been serving as our artist, who has been designing the characters and the level art. So far, only 2 general art assets have been added to the game. Our main character right here, who is just a little guy with various little animations, as well as the tile set we will be using of these red walls and pits and doors. There is other art. It will be included in a document that will be submitted alongside this video, but since it is not in the game, I will not be showing it at the moment. Then there is the work of Colton, who has been doing the work of handling the player character's movement. He will handle all the mechanics such as combat, health, all of that. I will simply just be showing what he has done so far in terms of blueprints for this. There is a fair number of little blueprints scattered around that it's going to be a little long to go through. I'm not going to spend too much time on all of them, simply due to the fact that I'm not 100% certain how they work, frankly. I just know that they do. These are just animations for walking. And then I will show what I have worked on so far, the level generation itself. I followed the examples and the guide of the Dungeon Generation Lab to help with this. So if anyone has done that, you will have recognized this. Starting with the classic event begin play, enable input, reset the level with R, use the fill matrix to fill the matrix up and make rooms, making floor tiles with the enum type tiles and the matrices, making rooms up here with bridges and roughs and rectangles. Up here is the making rectangles with all of this, making roughs, it's all of this, making X and Y's is all of this. The floor tile is this, just a simple actor to spawn it in. There is also a hallway tile, which is yet to be used. Currently, we are still working on getting this implemented. The unknown tile types, the various matrices, and structures. When played, currently it looks like this. The collision has been turned off on the tile maps due to an issue with the collision that we are working out. For now, it just is this. But this is enough to show off the hallways, the random nature of the levels. If I reset it, as you can see, the rooms are now much larger in general, no longer 3 wide, now they are 7 wide. I had to count that. With hallways interconnecting various room clusters, which have a rough shape to them. Which have a rough shape to them. The intent is to replace the hallways in between these clusters with hallway tiles, have multiple tile maps and tile sets to spawn randomly inside of these clusters, but we have yet to be able to implement that. So for now, this is what we have.